Hello friends. In today's video I am going to
It is very easy to set outro through computer. But this work is very difficult to do with the phone.
So, let's get started.
First you need to open your phone's Chrome browser. Search YouTube dashboard. Click on it. Click on it. Now click on Content option. Here you can see all your videos. Now, click on the video that you want to add outro. Now click on the Details option. Here you can see the End Screen option. Click on it. Click on it. Here you will set the duration of your outro.
Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
Now click on Save option. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new.